American Tourister suitcase model Bon Air. When you first receive it, you may want to set your combo right away or see which combo it's seen at the beginning. You push this over, then should open if it's at the right combination. This key we don't have. This is the button to set the combination. That's when you put the right combination in. Has to be on the right combination to close. And then obviously you want to change that. So now it's locked. This is the grip. Comes up if you pull it a bit. This is the zipper to open it, obviously, but another zipper in the back here. This is to expand it and make it a couple of inches, just a little bit wider. You know, like that. Suitcase gets bigger. First level, second level. Here you have the little place to write your email or phone number. And you're ready to travel.